What made you decide to assign your clients home exercises? And then what is your protocol for doing so?
Uh-huh. Well, actually, and this is going to date me, but you can already tell by looking at me that I'm older, way older. No, seriously. But what that gives me the advantage of having used these programs. We all in hospital settings in the 1980s, about 1985, started using computerized cognitive programs. And they're much more perfected now. Like your HappyNeuron Pro program is very, a little bit elegant because it actually pinpoints areas and then it gives really strong stimulus items. And that's how you actually see, for example, build in a memory function is by having a very strong stimulus item so that neurologically the person will see it. But I started using cognitive retraining for various reasons on the computer because, number one, some people like it and that's all they'll do. Seriously, people come and say, I don't want to do anything else, that's it. It allows you to watch what the patients are doing, how they're doing it. You can track it online. It's good if you're in the process of doing litigation because then you have all the information there. You can also, the person can work independently, which is very important. And I think that computerized programs are really the only way to, well, I shouldn't say the only way, but one of the most efficient ways to improve speed of processing, flexibility of thinking, and like on HappyNeuron Pro, I think it's called two timing. I know it because I use it all the time. Two timing is the one that's auditory memory. And a lot of programs don't really have auditory memory, but some of the computerized programs that have those are excellent. So those are primary reasons that I've turned to using it. It's not the only thing I do. And I do like the paper pencil tasks that you all have. We use paper pencil tasks as well.